Okay, I've got a Felt 85 blue road bike in at the moment. This gear cables need changing up. They're basically sticking and rusty. So I'm going to change left and right. Okay, cut the cables on both sides. I'll release the max so that you can take the cable out 9mm, not on the end of this one of the old soras. 8-speed by the looks of it. Yep. You see the cable is sticking and rusty. Okay, that's that end cable out. This side one, the cable routes up through here on this, on the old school shifters, not internal, so they're pretty easy to change out. Just change it right down on the lowest gear, then pull the brake lever in and feed the cable through. Okay, so got the new cable. Excuse my camera work, but there's the end of the cable required. So basically you thread it back through a little tiny hole through there that goes through the cable right down. The cable underneath the bottom bracket, there's the cable route in there, goes through here and out. What I've since found though is the actual shifter, when you shift it over, it's doing the usual sticking, really slow to return. So I'm going to stick a load of oil in there, release that up, and then reattach the cable, see if it shifts. Okay, new inner cable through onto the front mech now, so that shifts up nice and shifts back down as well. Thanks for watching.